Here we are in Rhodes. In Rhodes, a very different island to the last two that we've been to.
It's not white.
It. Yeah, and I'm loving it already. It's very old and ancient, and it's probably got a lot of history.
So the ho-ho's €15.
They're frequent, they're €15, and they go all around the city.
You can see Rhodes is very fortified. We just see the water here, there's our ship there. So this harbour you're looking at now, this is where the Rhodes Colossus apparently was. You can see the two posts there. That's where the Colossus' feet were. We've entered into the old town of Rhodes.
Traditional slippers. Cute.
This is mad. It's like it's a castle.
So this is the what was it called? The Grandmaster Castle. Mm-hmm. The queue is horrific to get in. We're not sure if you can buy tickets online, but it's quite long. And the ticket is for 4 different places, and it's only €10, but out of the 4, 2 of them are closed today because it says Tuesday's closed. So we just decided not to go in at all and just walk around and enjoy more of the outside areas. Again, budget holiday, so it's nice to see on the outside. I mean, the best part of it is the outside anyway. So we're going to walk around a little bit more and see what else there is in the old town of Rhodes.
For the motorcycle enthusiasts, a nice BMW here. It's a BMW R12, 1936 model. What a beautiful bike. Oh man, look at that. Hey, I mean, look at it. Oh, looks good, doesn't it? This is what I'm salivating over, guys.
But he gets Greek food every day.
I do.
So I don't know why.
It's because it just tastes so good. I've got my own little Greek chef who cooks for me. We were walking around Rhodes and we came across this little tavern here and we just decided to stop and have a drink. Yeah, we decided to have a Coke and a pineapple juice. Here we are in the town square. There's a fountain behind me. I'm going to go check that out in a minute. Still a very hot day. Beautiful area, lots of restaurants and shops. You see steakhouse, pizza, Greek food, everything you can think of. Big trees in the middle of the square.
That's why I said it reminds me of Palma de Mallorca.
Yeah.
Remember, with the tree in the middle and cafes and restaurants everywhere.
Artists.
There's something for everybody.
There is.
And you should look up sometimes too. Have you seen all the little, there's restaurants up there? And
Yeah, there is. There's local musicians.
Scani.
Yep, we're heading back to our ship. And there's the Costa Fortuna, the sheep that's been following us around. We've got the Aegean dancers on board this afternoon. They're going to give us a special show. You getting me over there, honey?
Which one's your wife?
The one with the camera.
Hi!
And I'm mic'd up so they can hear everything.
Oh my God. We're gonna fall.
Left, right, back, right, left.
Bit of a conga line happening.
Bravo, bravo.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's give it up one more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Aegean dancers!
Okay, that was a bit of fun with the Greek dancers.
Yeah, you even got up and danced.
I did. Showed
About
them how,
time you danced in Greek. We
Show-
danced,
showed them how it's done.
we
Come on.
danced at our weddings.
We're off to the Captain's Circle membership drinks. The more cruises you do, the more points you get and the higher up you get in your status.
Yamas. And if somebody has this idea that this is champagne, we don't drink and drive. And it is ginger ale. Thank you.
That was the Captain.
Enjoy.
You get a complimentary drink and food here. Cheers, honey. We've left Rhodes and we're heading off to Kushadasti now.